Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up shipping options on Squarespace. First, navigate to your Commerce section and then select Shipping. Here, you will find the tools to manage all your delivery methods. You can add new shipping options and define specific shipping zones, allowing you to control where your products can be sent. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth customer experience, ensuring accurate rates are displayed at checkout for every order. Squarespace offers several flexible shipping methods. Flat rate shipping is straightforward, allowing you to charge a fixed amount, perhaps $5 per order, or an additional $2 per item. For products with varying sizes, weight-based shipping is ideal. You define cost tiers based on total order weight, for example, $10 for orders up to 5 pounds. Remember to accurately input product weights for this method to function correctly. To enhance customer appeal, consider offering free shipping. This can be achieved by setting a flat rate of $0 or by creating a discount for orders over a certain amount, like $75. For local customers, setting up a local pickup option is excellent. They can collect their items directly, saving on shipping costs. Squarespace also supports carrier-calculated rates, providing real-time pricing from services like UPS or FedEx based on package details. Before making your shipping options live, it is absolutely essential to test everything thoroughly. Place a few test orders yourself to ensure that all shipping rates are calculating correctly and that the customer experience is seamless. Also, check your order confirmation emails to confirm that any local pickup instructions are clear and accurate. This final review helps prevent issues and ensures your customers have a positive shopping journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.